Greetings everyone, welcome to It's Perfect Business YouTube channel. Today's video will be showing people on how to make your lye water using caustic soda. Without wasting much of our time, in my next video I'll be showing people on how to bleach your palm oil. In this video also we want to say a very big thank you to those of you who have subscribed to our YouTube channel. For those of you who have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe, click the notification bell, share it and comment. Most importantly in our video is comment. When you comment in where you are getting it wrong, we can put you through on how to get it right. So I'll be dropping my phone number also in the description below, so that if you want to get anything from us, we can be able to waybill it to you within Edo State. Thank you very much and thank you for watching. Hello guys, today I'll be showing people on how to make your lye water, which is using caustic soda to make your lye water. First thing we are going to do, here we have our face mask, which I'm going to put on because in this process you have to protect your yourself. Then second, we have our hand glove. Please make sure you wear your hand glove and keep this water away from children. We use the hand glove to protect our skin. So here is it. So this is the rubber I always use to do lye water, to make lye water. Then I'll use this to do the measurement of the water, and this is our water. Here is our caustic soda. I'm coming up. I have to tie it very well. Here is our caustic soda. Hope you guys can see. So when making caustic soda, you don't put your caustic, you don't put water inside caustic, you put the caustic inside the water. So if I'm taking 1 of caustic soda, I'll be using 4 measurements of water. Hope you guys are listening to me. 4 measurements of this cup of water, then 1 caustic soda. But my rubber is small for the measurement, so I'll take 8 cup and 2 caustic soda. Hope you guys are getting me. 8 cup, 2 caustic soda. So let's get started with the measurement of the water. One, 2, 3. Hope you guys are seeing the measurement. 4. This 4 is 1 rubber, this rubber of caustic. The same thing used to measure 1 rubber of caustic is times, let's say 3 of it or 4 of it of water. So I'm taking another measurement because I'll be using 2 of caustic. That was 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Hope you guys are seeing it. Then we'll keep the water aside. That's 8. We'll take 2 caustic soda. One, you guys seen it? Then 2. So it was 8 rubber of water and 2 caustic soda. So here is our turning stick we use to turn it. You turn to make sure it's well dissolved. I'm checking the temperature because when dissolving your lye water like this, it becomes hot. If you notice from the video, it's bringing out vapor. So it's the vapor we are preventing to enter your nose. And if you have eyeglass, you can also wear your eyeglass to prevent the heat from entering your eye and your nose. It's very, very toxic. So when producing this lye water, you can't use it today to make your soda soap. You can use it today. You take like 2 days or more than 2 days to start using it for your soda soap making. Please stir very well to make sure it's dissolved, and when you're turning it, you feel it's already light in your hands. Then you can stop using it. So majority things I use here will not go into my kitchen. Especially this turning stick, I won't put it inside my kitchen for usage. So this lye water, the lye water, you don't put it close to your drinking water or close to any water at all, due to children. Maybe you can put it outside where you know kids does not go there. You put them there. Don't put your things close to where children will be there, and to give you issues by drinking it is very, very bad. So this does not spoil. It takes 2 weeks or more than 2 weeks. It takes more than 1 week also for this. It does not spoil. So guys, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please kindly go and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for those who have subscribed, I want to say a very big thank you for subscribing. Please don't forget to click the notification bell, drop your comment and share. Mostly like the video. If you know you have anywhere you are getting it wrong, you are not getting it right, please don't forget to ask questions. So here is it. we are done with our lye water. We are done producing the lye water. You just have to just set it aside to cool. It does not take 2 hours to cool. No, it takes long to cool. When you touch the temperature, it's very hot, so it takes long to cool. And it's not by, they'll tell you make the lye water so that the lye water will be thick. It's not thick because it's water you're using. So that's just it. So guys, please like this video, drop your comments. This is the end of making your lye water. It's just caustic and water to make lye water. Thank you all for watching.